Hi, good morning, good morning. Ang ganda naman ng location natin today. It's all so green. So today we're gonna buy 3 cars. Si Jerwin, isang sport natin, nasa Honda Green Hills. So today we're just waiting for another client to arrive. Siya naman kaya Explorer, 2013 Explorer with very low mileage. Then after this, we're gonna buy hopefully a territory sa May Manila. And malapit sa isang restaurant na gustong gusto ko. So let's go. Okay, so ito yung kotseng bibili natin. 2013 na Explorer. Check the inside. Ito na yung documents. Of course, we had this checked already. Napaska na natin to. Visual inspection, inspection ng halos lahat. At ng mga power seats, ganyan. Pero of course, I always want to check the car again. Itong mileage itong coaching to is 25,871. Pretty low, ah. Ito yung manual. I can see it. Then, we'll just check the inside of the engine bay. Nakakatuwa ang Explorer. It's one of my favorite cars. Ito yung everyday car ko eh. Sarap i-drive and masarap sakyan. So it's a very comfortable car. So let's check the engine bay. So the hood is in perfect condition. Inside is okay. No signs of collision. Kaka-PMS lang din ito sa Ford. There's the all-wheel drive. So you'll see also yung toggle switch niya. It's good. Maganda yung kotse. Olika. I'll just meet the client, a bit shy, they might be on camera, pero the car is okay. Bayad portion na. Okay, so nabili na natin yung kotse. Very sariwa pa, halika. Check natin. The leather is pretty good, no? Actually, not pretty good. Very pristine. Maganda pa yung leather. Power seats work. Everything is okay. Yung 4x4 niya. Everything works. Okay, good. Nakakatawa. So the sunroof also works. Hindi kasi sakit ng Explorer. Actually, lahat naman ng sunroof. May kotseng may sunroof. Kasi madalas, hindi nagagamit kasi nasa Pilipinas tayo. We have an overabundance of the sun. So, ayan. So, 25,000 yung mileage. The suspension and the steering sounds good. Happy ako dito. The Explorer is one of the most comfortable cars in the market to ride and to drive. If you're looking for a entry-level na executive car, I would suggest the Explorer. It's a very powerful vehicle and a very comfortable car to ride as well. Very guwapo siya. Malakas yung dating niya, no? Kapag dumating ka into your meeting or meeting somebody, naka-Explorer ka, malakas yung dating, no? It says something about you. If you want to buy this car, just come to the showroom, Valero Car Park 2, Makati City. Just look for us. We'll take care of you. I-detail natin to. But the paint is it's great actually. Wala nga ako nakikitang scratches na alagaan talaga ni previous client. So if you want to buy cars, just come to All Cars. And if you want to sell your cars, my name is Kodah, All Cars. Have a nice day. Let's go. Bye-bye.